Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my hair. I did a video yesterday but I didn't upload it as yet, about flat ironing my hair. But this is what's the end result, and it's soft and it's not as thick as it was, but I had to do it again this morning. It was easier this morning because it wasn't as kinky as it was yesterday, but I couldn't sleep with the woogie in my head because it was so tight. Actually, it wasn't even this one, it was a next one, but it was so tight that I had to take it out, and the end of my hair was thick again, so I did it over and we're back in business. So I'm going to be styling my hair today. I think I want to do a up in one. I'm trying to move quick before it reverts or whatever. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Whitney Ronaldine. And I was going to do this kind of hair. It's like it's straight with curls on the ends. But then I thought, because I'm going to be leaving it in from now till in the morning, what if my hair texture here doesn't look as smooth? That's gonna look funny. So I said I'm going to do my curly hair instead. But I also have two videos with my curly hair, so I am baffled. I don't know what to do. I have long straight hair, but it's like, ugh, if the short straight curly is not going to look right in the morning, why would the long straight one look curly? So I have some products here that might help me. I have the Cantu leave-in conditioning repairing cream. I have like a little like bitch, what is that? Why is it so glamorous? Like, what is that file? Anyways, so this is it. And then I have the Gorilla Glare, the Gorilla Gel. This is the type of Gorilla Gel that I have. And then I have just a teensy bit of, where is it? It's a teensy bit of the Eco Styler Gel in the flavor coconut. And then I also have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mousse Foam Spray. And what else? And I have this beeswax, but this is just for like the edges, just to kind of neaten that shit up. So let's get into it. I was thinking to do something like around the edge, like, some kind of style or something. But then I said to myself, child, no. So I'm just gonna pull my hair up in one. I'm just gonna comb it up. It's a lot of it. I flat iron my hair. Normally I used to do it with my curling iron, but I don't got that anymore. So I'm gonna, oh my jeez. You know what I think? Because I pulled my hair up yesterday with this Cantu, I'm thinking that I might have to go in piece by piece. Like, take some and put some Cantu in between the hair. So I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take my I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just part it in half. Put some. Alright, so I'm just going to hold this piece up. I'm gonna put some products in the middle so that it will be like slick. So I'm going to take some Cantu, rub it in the back, just like that, just to kind of smoothen up those edges. Give that smooth. And then I'm going to put some in the center. And I'm going to put some foam spray in the center so they can hold up easy, you know, because a little bit of gel, let's just be real. We're going to take the coconut gel and then we're going to take some of the Gorilla Gel, mix that together. Let's just be real. Black people just can't hold up their hair just so. Let's be real. And then just kind of hold that up. And we're gonna do the same thing for the front. Cantu in the center. But you see, I was thinking, do I want a part? Because if I do a part, it's gonna be kind of easier to hold it up. But at the same time, I'm thinking when my hair reverts, you know what I'm gonna do? But then I've never done a part with my hair being up in one. No, it's not gonna work. My hair being up in one, I've never done a part like that. So we're just gonna pull all up in one. This is the Cantu. Put some on the ends. Gonna put some foam spray. Some foam spray in the front. When you're black, this is what you have to do. Then you're gonna take some of the gel. You don't want to use too much in the center, and then some of the Gorilla, because I also want some for my, and then you can see that my coconut one is almost finished. Let me just take this and where is the brush? Oh my god. I believe in me. If anybody watched my video when I put my hair up in the big pom-pom, you will know that this is good for me because my hair wasn't going up in one at all. My hand is cramping so bad. Ooh. Lord, Lord, Lord. Right. So now let's touch up. So wild though, like the curly hair is fitting better because it's not straight, it's not perfect, it's just it's almost ramful as my hair. So I just push my my foot over. Shut down. I'm gonna take some of the mousse. As you can see, some of the small hairs are raising up. So I'm gonna take some of that mousse. Just put it on it like so. We still have a little bit, so we're gonna take some of the Gorilla Glue, the Gorilla Gel. Why was it Gorilla Glue? Gorilla Gel, and just put some of that on the hair. I also learned a new trick with doing your hair piece to make it look so natural. But let's see what it will do today. So now I want to take some of the beeswax just to get, you know, like some of my edges right. I'm gonna put it on my hand because it's literally black. I saw someone use this on a girl's head. Hannah. She looked like she was natural. She looked like she had a fresh relaxer. And I said, Lord, make that can't be me. I was gonna put on the edges first. So just kinda, we also want to follow a hairline too because this will mess up your head. I just want to make sure my hairline smooth. Ooh, like that. So just put some on the back. But the only thing is that you got, like when you're going to sleep, you're going to have to tie this down. Especially because your hair natural. You're going to have to tie it down. It's alright. Now take a little bit more. To make it keep the results. You're going to have to tie this down. But then you see the hair rooting up there, sir. So you gotta take some and just do it like that. Just kinda run the excess on the hair because you don't want too much on it because it's like it's very thick and it clumpy, you know? So you don't really want that on your hair. So just gonna take a little bit. You're gonna have to tie this down. But by the time you put on the hairpiece, certain parts of it gonna be covered, like to the root. That's the way I see in that hair that gets up. It's gonna be covered. Where is my brush? Okay. I'm just gonna take that brush and smooth it up. Just gonna kinda even that out this way. Kinda, you want to kinda smooth that. It's gonna look like I got a fresh relaxer. Smoothen that up. Right. What am I doing at the end? So now, obviously I know this can't plait. So I'm going to keep this thick, so that when I roll the curly hair on my head, it gonna help to give me a base. So all them small hairs they gone up inside the arm. Hold up nice. small hairs, the whole of pretty nice. Right, so we're gonna use this as the base, right? We need either next woogie or a rubber band. I think I'm gonna use a woogie because I know the girl use a rubber band, eh? I see she use a rubber band, but I'm gonna use a woogie because rubber band could bust. So now, make sure I have hairpins. These hairpins. So let me take out them, so and then I have these. So I'm spreading them out on the floor so they're gonna be easier to pick up. So what you're going to do now is, I think I'm gonna take this part. I'm gonna take this part, take this amount out of the hair because this hair thick. Take this and wrap it on my bun. Let me show you what I mean. So take this and wrap this to give it security. To get that extra security, and then take a hairpin and pin that down. And then you're gonna take the hair now and wrap it. So how much ever wraps you want to do, then you're gonna bobby pin it. You can bobby pin it every step of the way, but I do it like every few wraps. Just trying to keep my hair outside because my hair gonna be like a stencil. So how I do it? I'm just kind of pin it down. You're pinning down the weft because this is weave if you didn't know. So, and then you're taking this here and hold it up. Oh Lord, I feel like pinning it right. You're taking this here and hold it up, but you're not. That's why I said I needed my hair. Oh Lord, it's thicker than I thought. So I had to go like close to the base because you're going on. I really need that rubber. But the giggle show. You take close to the base and wrap the hair. Even if it's one time you do it with the rubber band. Just hold the hair like that, right? You're supposed to have that. And then you let the curly hair come over. Oh Lord, this now work. But I'm going to make it work. My bobby pins, I'm kind of coming out a little bit. And then you're gonna fold over the hair. Fold it over, God, me and happen. Don't know if you've seen that properly. And then just kind of like that, right? So, you go and take a next rubber band. I don't know if I have any more of them big rubber band there, boy. I'm trying to see if I have any more of the big rubber band there. Right. So you're going to take this one and you're going to bring this here over. Oh Lord. Just kind of loosen up a little bit. And then you will just kind of bring this down. Like that. And then you're going to take the rest are here. And just kind of wrap it and pin it. And then pin that. And then you're gonna just go around and pin to secure it. This secures, and it's about is do how much you want. If it not feeling secure in your head, you pin it till it feels secure. And then this is the end result. So it looks kind of natural because the curly hair is ramful. Let's just get real, you know. The curly hair is ramful, and it's much easier to mimic African hair or natural hair. And then it just, as I say, you pin in to secure for your comfort. And then this is Shaban. This is actually what I was trying to do the other night when I was giving the tutorial for the big poof. I was actually trying to do this, okay, and my hair was not cooperating at all. So I really had to flat iron the hell out of this hair because it really wasn't, it was too thick on the ends. It wasn't giving me life. So I just neatening up the ends with some of the Gorilla Gel. Yes, it wasn't really giving me the life because the ends was too thick to hold up in one. So just kinda, so some of them here they're coming down. So you just wanna kinda secure that. But eventually, because the hair natural to the hair will be coming out of the beeswax. So you had to really secure that hair with something else. So I using the Gorilla Gel. And you don't want to put too much of this Gorilla Gel too, because I realize the more you put, when it dry down or when it get like in a later day like tomorrow, it's gonna look kind of flaky. So this is the end result. I hope you enjoy. You know, I'll have to pin down these extra hairs. And if any hair is unruly, you can just pin it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Whitney Ronaldine, and I'll see you in my next one. Ugh, look at this hair. Bye everyone.